Lobo me Ukraine kubedi NATO dul madir kita wache ne Ukraine food pekiti atera nyome yupe me bedo nyome Nongo Kuc wangene Russia ki Ukraine kubedi mwaka nang choka dek balwenti ken lobo riyo enone Russia accusing Ukraine ilok me donyo in NATO kon gimiete Ukraine po donyo ikit me dwako bebedu nyo Kuc lobo mo kana magitika acting cha intermediaries ikianati ya America ma anti la rem Ukraine ite watching kabe Ukraine is still not yet ready for peace.
Garo tie ikiat me mito kero me cako peace talks. Garo tie ikiat me mobilization kibene donke yogo Ukraine matek kutwal. Me noni lo mateka lwen ki Ukraine ni nen chalo gwak kero mono bedu tie Ukraine bedu la rem America gitika jenge totwal neno ni kano president manyen Donald Trump ko dare office nyo chere office peon la chinya wachina ko kwer Trump du Mario era teko mwenye kumedi ke miyone ichabet manyen is going to be sworn in so America tika yupe me neno kitma ki kero Trump office ka ki kero Trump office lobo machalo Ukraine tika neno kero ge mi a ki kenyo negotiating capacity ne chalo tika dogo nako PM Joe Biden no petie ototwal iside pa Ukraine neno ni konyo bina tiati so dugu pa Trump tika minigi tek twin money ni nen chalo la ko nyuar milwenyi romotum so they're waiting for another big person to come on their side so that the negotiation will even no dong tie ema PM ka Ukraine waye gi chet gi loko ken gi kama giti ye kumberi ni but they don't have a backing power romo bedu tek ero ka Ukraine tika chero ka lok ke lobo money magiti lwen kwedi ni magi chero ke lobo chala America with a personality pa Donald Trump gi ye then watching okay John ne chalo ngo moko tamge da nimiro gina ko man kitimwa kitiere ma tamane is always sufficient enough en roma ki kenyin kite chero pe chero wono teno ke ken ko no lu diro mogo maka ngang madlok gite go betie to go and pave way for the negotiation kada wono chero ko ni ken ukine mo chalo vola I think that's what Ukraine is fearing or what the other countries magitika not ka chelwi ne pe ono tum gitika eyeing get Trump on his steering wheel let him start to do his work. Ukraine, I think that would be a big milestone for him.
Yeah. And it's long overdue.
Yeah,
3 years. For only 1 month.
I think if Trump is coming in almost in the 3rd year of the war.
Yes.
Karma rulo chake itama chalo tumo diri mui kamono ling eta mui foot lo libu no biro gichelo bomb
and Trump ko waje ko anti president lo ena beru para so wakor wana no ko donye beru president ni ka